Okay, so let's go ahead and build that listing description now. Okay, so if you have a listing right now or you're about to have one, get that address, get it ready for this one right here. Okay, now if you're in my Skool community right now, you'll have the plugin and the zip file all down below. So if you're not in the Skool community, if this is on YouTube, get over to the Skool community. You can see it down there all for you. Okay, so we're right here, we're in our Claude Cowork. Now, I already have the plugin installed, but I'm gonna show you exactly how to install this one specifically. You go to Customize, that was over here on the left side, hit Customize. And then from there, you wanna hit this plus sign. When you hit that, you hit Create Plugin, Upload Plugin. So right here, it has to be the zip file, no other file will work. So you hit Browse Files, go into wherever you downloaded it, and so I have it right here, listing description plugin.zip, put that in. I already have it in, so I'm not gonna put it in again. And then you'll see it populate over here. Now, mine is under here for listing description. Perfect. Now we go back into the Cowork menu button here. I guess it's called a menu. And right here you have where you can start typing. Now, first what I like to do is work in a specific folder or project, as it says. Okay, now the folder that I use is going to be for my actual listing. I want everything that I do inside my listing to be inside that folder. So right here I have a folder for 29 Amber Rock Street. Let's go ahead and build that one from there. And what we're going to do is we're going to do something called a slash command. Okay, I put slash, and then this should be the same for you if you didn't mess with the zip file or anything, and just type in listing hyphen, and as you can see, it already pre-populates to listing hyphen description. You can type it all out, click it, or hit tab, opens it up right there. Now from there, you're not gonna do anything else. You're just gonna type in the address. So 29 Amber Rock Street, okay? Now I'm gonna keep it at Opus just because I'm on the max plan. If you're not on the max plan, you're on the $20 a month one, use Sonnet, it's more than enough. Okay, actually, I'll go ahead and do that now, and I'm going to keep extended thinking on. So I'm going to hit enter, and now it's going to start building out the listing description. Now, how it's doing this, it is grabbing all the information that is in that folder. So it's my, probably going to grab Zillow, it's probably going to grab all of the documents I have in there. So that's like my listing package that I have for the client. Any information that I have in there at all, it's going to be grabbing from it. And if you don't have anything in there, then it's probably going to start asking you questions on, okay, what information do you want me to use? What description are you looking for? Are we, whatever the case is. But since I have stuff in there, it's going to automatically populate something for me. Okay. And again, we're on Sonnet 4.6 with this extended thinking. And this is what it came up with. So single story living in Champion Village, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers 1,796 square feet of well-planned space on a 6,534 square foot lot with a rare 3-car garage at 485,000. That's about exactly what I wanted to say, so that's good. The kitchen features a center island and a walk-in pantry, giving you genuine prep and storage space. Now, it's technically called a walk-in pantry, but it really isn't. So I'm not going to sit here and lie to the public. So I'm going to say it isn't a walk-in pantry, but it does have good size. And so I'm going to keep it there. I'm not going to keep asking it to do stuff. I'm going to go through the whole thing. And it says the 20 by 11 family room is one of the largest you will find at this price point. I like that. A lot of people don't really like 20 by 11 things, so we can take that out. So we take out all size dimensions and put in different descriptors for that. Again, use your own words, your own knowledge, however you want to do it. So I just did that for all dimensions. The 16 by 14 primary suite includes a walk-in closet, yep, and the 2 additional bedrooms come in at 14 by 12 and 12 by 11, comfortably sized for kids, guests, or home office. That is true. Dedicated dining room, yep, tile roof, established desert landscaping, and move-in ready condition throughout. It was built in 2000 and well maintained. Henderson, single story, 3-car garage, no compromises. Call to schedule your private showing. Now, I probably don't need to put that call to schedule your private showing, but I want to keep that just in case, because you never know. Someone going through Zillow might say, we should call them, and maybe at that point, it'll have my information underneath as who's the realtor for this one. So hopefully they call that one. That's neither here nor there. This one came out to 130 words. I think that's good enough. We can go up to 250 and we can ask it to do more. I actually kind of like where it's at. So I'm gonna make the necessary changes here by having it take out the walk-in pantry and the size dimensions. It came up with, so the family room is one of the largest. Okay, so that's where it took it out. The primary suite is oversized. So that's better than saying 14 by 11 or whatever it was. So that's good. In 2 minutes, we created a listing description. We installed the plugin. We actually installed the plugin, got the listing description. We amended it a little bit to put it a little bit better into words, right? That we think that the general public will probably enjoy reading. This one's great. This one's good. Could I do more? Absolutely. I could do a lot more. But the whole point of this video is to show you how fast it is to create that listing description. Now, if you have listing descriptions, okay, if you have a whole bunch that you've used before, that is going to help you, because if you loved how those structured, how those worked, and if they worked for you for your listings because you sold a whole bunch of houses, perfect. You can add all that into the skill file. Now, how you would do that is you would go over to Claude Code and put it right in there. Now, if you want me to do that for you or help you, walk you through that, bring it to the Q&A. I'm not gonna put it all in this video, but in our weekly Q&A in our Skool community, we can do that, or drop in the Skool community on, like the message posts, and I'll go in there and tell you exactly how to do it. Nice and easy, not gonna be that difficult. That way you have the exact listing descriptions that you always wanna use, the exact structure, and there you go. So just like that, you guys, we built a listing description on a actual listing that you have, presumably, and you have everything you need to at least get that part started. See you on the next video, and we'll see what else we can come up with.